All right, let's dive deeper into how ChatGPT can revolutionize your investment analysis. Imagine you're at your desk, swamped with proposals. You're looking for that diamond in the rough, but the pressure's on and time is ticking. This is where AI becomes your secret weapon. You've got historical data, right? Market trends, financial reports, all that jazz. Feed it to ChatGPT. This AI isn't just crunching numbers, it's learning the rhythm of the market, understanding what makes an investment shine. It's like having a financial oracle at your fingertips, giving you a detailed analysis of potential returns and risks, and even throwing in a curveball or two with scenarios you hadn't considered. Now think about the power of multifaceted analysis. You're not just looking at numbers in a vacuum. ChatGPT pulls in data from all over: social media sentiment, geopolitical events, industry shifts. It's giving you a 360-degree view of your investment landscape. That's how you spot the opportunities that others might miss. And let's talk about playing the long game with scenario simulations. Markets are fickle, right? But with AI, you can run simulations for different market conditions. It's like having a crystal ball showing you how your investments could perform in the future. This isn't just about making smart choices, it's about being prepared for anything. Trend forecasting is another ace up your sleeve. ChatGPT's data processing capabilities can pick up on emerging trends before they're making headlines. It's like catching the wave before it breaks, positioning you to ride it all the way to the shore of success. But remember, AI is a tool, not the master. Your expertise, your gut feeling, that's what steers the ship. Use AI to inform your decisions, but trust your instincts to make the final call. By blending AI's computational might with your financial acumen, you're not just playing the game, you're changing it. You're setting up for high returns and sustainable growth. So let's harness the power of AI-enhanced thinking and carve out a future of financial triumph. Apologies for the brief interruption. Attention finance managers, are you aware that AI training specific to your role can decrease the threat of job displacement by 60%? Here's an opportunity: the AI Handbook for Finance Managers, along with an audiobook and video training crafted for your financial expertise, all available for just $29. Secure this valuable resource at completeaitraining.com/finance managers. It's an investment that's truly worthwhile. All right, let's dive into the world of investment analysis. You've got a ton of ideas, right? And each one is like a puzzle piece waiting to fit into your grand financial picture. But how do you make sense of it all? That's where ChatGPT comes in. First up, portfolio optimization. It's all about balance. You want that perfect mix of assets that maximizes returns while keeping risk at bay. ChatGPT can sift through mountains of data, analyze historical trends, and help you find that sweet spot. Now, valuation modeling, it's the art of predicting the future, sort of. You're trying to figure out what a company's really worth. ChatGPT can crunch those numbers, compare industry benchmarks, and give you insights that are grounded in solid data. Risk assessment, it's like the weather forecast for your investments. You need to know what storms might be brewing. ChatGPT can help you identify potential red flags and stress test your portfolio against various scenarios. Performance measurement is next. You've got to know if you're winning or not, right? ChatGPT can track your investments over time, giving you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. Then there's fundamental analysis. It's all about digging deep into financial statements, market trends, you name it. ChatGPT can help you dissect that information, so you can make decisions based on the economic realities of the companies you're eyeing. Technical analysis is a different beast. It's like reading tea leaves, but for stocks. Patterns, charts, volume. ChatGPT can analyze past market behavior to help you spot potential trends. Lastly, sector and industry analysis. You've got to understand the playing field. ChatGPT can keep you updated on industry shifts, regulatory changes, and competitive dynamics. So, whether you're optimizing, valuing, assessing, measuring, or analyzing, ChatGPT is like your co-pilot in the complex skies of investment analysis. It's about leveraging AI to make smarter, data-driven decisions. And that, my friend, is how you stay ahead of the game. Sorry, quick commercial break. Did you know with financial management expertise, your career prospects could soar by 300%? Make a strategic move. Purchase the Finance Manager's Essential Guide, audiobook, and video training for your role, all for just $29. It's a financial game changer. Find it on completeaitraining.com/finance manager. All right, let's dive into the world of investment analysis. You've got a ton of data on your desk and a million decisions to make, right? Well, imagine having a tool that can sift through all that info and give you the insights you need. That's where ChatGPT comes in. First up, economic analysis. You're tracking market trends, inflation rates, GDP growth, the works. ChatGPT can process this data, spot patterns, and even predict market shifts. It's like having a crystal ball, but with algorithms instead of magic. Now, let's talk ESG analysis. You want to invest responsibly and need to know a company's impact on the world. ChatGPT can evaluate environmental policies, social practices, and governance issues, giving you a comprehensive view of a company's ethical footprint. It's like having a detective for corporate responsibility. Scenario analysis can be a headache, right? But with ChatGPT, you can run multiple what-if scenarios in no time. It can help you weigh potential outcomes and prepare for different market conditions. It's like playing chess with a supercomputer. You're always 5 moves ahead. Investment due diligence is crucial. You need to dig deep into financials, management, and operations. ChatGPT can streamline this by pulling information from various sources and highlighting the red flags or golden opportunities. It's like having an assistant who never sleeps. Lastly, investment reporting and communication. Reports can be dry, but ChatGPT can help you craft clear, insightful, and engaging reports. It can even tailor communication to different stakeholders. It's like having a PR pro in your pocket. So whether you're crunching numbers or shaping strategies, ChatGPT is your ace in the hole for smarter, faster, and more effective investment analysis. It's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter. And that's how you stay ahead in the game. This is a limited preview of our comprehensive training. Discover more at completeaitraining.com/finance manager. For just $29, you get 10 hours of video training, a complete audiobook, and a 300-plus page book tailored to your job. We'll go in depth about all the specific tasks and subtasks of your job, showing how AI can make you more efficient, guide your transition to AI integration, and make you an AI expert. Plus, AI proficiency can increase your income by 20% to 200%, reduce your job loss risk by 60%, and enhance your employability by 300%. Visit completeaitraining.com/finance manager to start your journey.